I welcome you to this training. This is going to be introductory part of this training. This training is for those that have a product to sell or those that have a service to render. If you're having a service that you are rendering, people are paying you for it, then this training is for you. The first part of this training, I'll be showing you guys how you can convert total strangers to paying customers and clients. For those of us that don't understand what client means, if you are a professional like a lawyer, architect, engineers, those that are patronizing you are called clients. But if you have a product to sell, like you have a shop where you are selling some things like provision, food stuff, then those that are buying all those products from you are called customers. So I'll be using the two of them interchangeably. If I use customer, it's the same as client. So I may not be differentiating the two of them any moment from now. All right, if that is settled, we'll be talking about how you can convert total strangers to customers. If you have a business, you have a product or a service you are rendering, you must devise a way of bringing in new customers on a daily basis, because customers or clients are like the blood of a business. If you don't have a way of bringing new ones, after some time something will happen to the old ones. For instance, some people may move from the place of your business to another city. Some people are going to be relocating. So as they are relocating, you need to have a way of bringing new ones. And some may change taste. Probably they have been patronizing your product before, your service before, and all of a sudden they meet another person whose product is better than your own. They will stop patronizing your own and start patronizing that person. So you as a business owner, you must devise a way of bringing in new customers and clients so that your business does not die. And that is exactly what I'm going to be showing you in this training. All right, so to start with, before you can convert a total stranger to a paying client, first you must draw his attention first. You must create something that will draw his attention. From his attention, you can now gradually convert him to a paying client or customers. Okay, we'll go into detail later. The next thing we want to talk about is what is the importance of advertising your products and services. There is a saying that a product not advertised or a business not advertised is like a boy winking to a beautiful lady in the night. He knows what he's doing, but no one else do. What is winking? Winking is like this. Somebody is making sign with his eye in the night. He knows what he's doing, but no one else does, because they cannot see what he's doing, but it's only him that knows what he's doing. So if you have a product, you have a service, and you are not exposing it to the public, the business may not grow as fast as it should, because not many people will know about it. And because they don't know about it, they may not even develop interest in patronizing you. So the first thing you must do as a business owner, as a professional, or you have handwork, after you have mastered that business, then the next thing is how to expose it to the public. So you need to expose it to the public first before you can even see people that will be interested in it. So the act of exposing it to the public is what is called advertisement, and is also called traffic. When people are getting to see what you are selling, we call it traffic. So in the course of this training, I'll be mentioning traffic. So if I mention traffic, we are not talking about vehicular traffic, we are not talking about cars or human being. We are talking about people getting into your business, people seeing your product and your services. That is what we mean by traffic. All right. So advertising your product is very, very, very important. And we'll be talking about organic and paid traffic. Organic meaning you can create a post on Facebook and Instagram, and Facebook is going to help you to show that post to people that have never known you before. And you will see some people that will call you, or send a message to you that I saw your post on Facebook and Instagram, I am interested in it. How much is your product? How can I pay for it? You see, people will be contacting you like that. That one is organic traffic. You did not pay for advertisement. Then let's talk about paid advertisement. Paid advertisement means that you will pay Facebook, and Facebook is going to show your product and services to more people, and the result you get here will be a little bit faster. And that is why sometimes if you have a Facebook page and you have a post on that page, you see that there is boost under it. That boost meaning that you can speed up the rate at which people get to see that post, and that is what we call paid advertisement. By the time you pay Facebook, you see that the number of people that will see your post in a day could be running up to thousands. Sometimes you can have 100,000 people see your product in a day. You can even run up to millions. It depends on your budget. Okay, so these are some of the things we'll be going into detail later in this training. The next thing we want to talk about is why Facebook. Why are we starting with Facebook and Instagram? Why not TikTok? Why not Twitter? Why not Google? Why not YouTube? The reason I want us to start with Facebook and Instagram is, from my experience, Facebook and Instagram are the simplest. It is the simplest to start with. So if you are a beginner and you want to start exposing your business to the public so that they can patronize you, it is best to start with Facebook and Instagram. Then later you can now bring other ones in. So as our starting point, we'll be starting with Facebook and Instagram. So I'll be showing you the rest of the thing in my webinar. So there is a link at the bottom of this video, or there is a button somewhere here. Simply tap on that button and it will take you to where you can register for the webinar so that you can get further detail. And attending the webinar is completely free. All right, I'll be waiting to see you there. Bye.